A program is a set of instructions that tells the computer to perform a specific task. A programming language is the language used to create programs. In this course, we will be using Python to give instructions to the computer. This means I can make my computer do anything? Yeah, true to its limits. Everything involves giving instructions. For e.g., when you click on the play button on a media player and the music starts playing, there is a program working behind the scene which tells the computer to turn on the music when the play button is clicked. In no mood to break traditions and rituals followed through the years. Let's start with a Hello World program, usually the first program learned when studying a language. We want to display Hello World on the output screen. But, how? Let's see. To tell the computer to write on the screen, we use the print statement. It is a built-in function in Python to display things on the screen. A built-in function is a function which is predefined and can be used directly. Exactly like the batter which your mom uses to prepare pancakes. Whatever we want to display needs to be written inside brackets and enclosed within double quotes. So, to display Hello World, yippee, you just wrote your first Python program. Comments are pieces of code which are ignored by the Python interpreter. Comments are written to make source code easier to understand by other people. Python supports single-line comments, meaning that they can cover only one line. Anything written following hash is considered a single-line comment in Python. We learned a program is a set of instructions. Print function can be used to write on the output screen. The text to be printed has to be enclosed in quotes. Print is a built-in function. Hash is used to write comments in Python.